Bob Crypto, and here's my evening report. We got Bitcoin at 33,500, Ethereum back over 1,000 again. We got XRP 28, and all of the majors have really sort of reported a little bit of a rally today, but nothing much more. Let's just go back down the list a little bit. I want to show you a token that actually did do quite well today, and that has been doing very well over the last few days. It's Avalanche. Avalanche is a project I got in at pre-sale, very lucky to, and it seems to be on the up and up, and I will be covering this a little bit later in the week just to give you an idea. But it says here it's building the internet of finance, open source platform for launching highly decentralized applications, new financial primitives, and new interoperable blockchains. It calls itself the Internet of Smart Assets, Blockchains, and Reactive dApps. The key features are it's high performance, it's scalable and secure, flexible and customizable. And you can see just from the people who've invested in it, Andreessen Horowitz, Abstract Ventures, Polychain Capital, and Initialized. These are the creme de la creme of venture capital funding. It's no joke. The managing director, the actual owner, is a real thoroughbred as well. Emin Gün Sirer. He designed one of the very first cryptocurrencies back in 2003 called Karma. It never really took off. He wanted to be the first to release a cryptocurrency that could be used borderless, trustless, and without the control of central banks. And he didn't get there. He may have got there first in many ways, but Bitcoin was the one. Satoshi's vision was the coin that really took off. And yeah, he stayed around the space, and he's got this project Avalanche. He's working with working with top US universities. They're working on central bank digital currencies. They are really a project I can see moving forward and upward over the next few years. It's got to be said. Let's go back to the table. Let's have a look at DeFi. Looking at DeFi today, it's kind of, you can see it's gone up a little bit, and then it's hit a little bit of a block, a little bit of a downturn happening here. Yeah, it's really red across the board today. Let's have a look at some stories. We'll look at this story because it's funny, but it's not actually funny if you were this guy. The Ripple former CTO could lose $231 million in Bitcoin. It says blockchain giant Ripple's former CTO, Stephen Thomas, is just two wrong guesses away from losing an estimated $231 million worth of Bitcoin and may never gain access to a reported 7,021 Bitcoin. I think this is meant to say. According to a post by the New York Times, Stephen Thomas cannot access his IronKey hardware wallet, which reportedly contains a staggering $231 million in Bitcoin. The former Ripple CTO has two last attempts to guess his wallet password to gain access to the Bitcoin. And if these password entries are wrong, he will lose his Bitcoin forever. He lost his password for his IronKey, which gives users 10 guesses before it seizes up and encrypts its contents forever. He's attempted 8 of his most commonly used password formulations to no avail. But as for his lost password and inaccessible Bitcoin, Stefan has put the IronKey in a secure facility, he won't say where, in case of cryptographers coming up with new ways of cracking complex passwords. Keeping it far away from him, he tries not to think about it, he said. I've got to a point where I said to myself, let it be in the past, just for your own mental health. Poor bloke. I'm sure he isn't that too badly off. And let's just look at the just one more project I want to look at, and I'm going to have a deeper dive into this later in the week. It's called Insured Finance. It's a blockchain-based peer-to-peer insurance marketplace. It covers you for smart contracts, cryptocurrency, exchange cover. So if you're hacked, Insured Finance will be able to protect you against that. Stablecoin failure, rug pulls. It's a community-driven peer-to-peer marketplace. You can request coverage. You can also provide the coverage. Insured Finance say that they're going to give instant payouts, and it's a very good project. It's powered by Polkadot. Like it says, you can actually earn yield on your funds, and it's got a real good roadmap to boot. I'll leave a link below to their website, which I'm trying to link to now. Oh God, a boat. Let's have a look. A boat here again. Duck. So I'll leave a link to their website in the box below. You can see here, totally legit. Got some real good backing as well. So that there's the roadmap, the investors. This is a fair dinkum project, guys.